Hello everyone, you have read the title, so let's go straight into the point. Game structure. By the way, you should take a look at Unity execution order to fully understand the engine flow. It's very important. In this game, I create an initializer object that holds a reference to the main objects in the scene. Why? Because I want to handle execution order on my own. Okay, so what happened after you hit play? Check out Unity execution order for the answer. But now I only care when Unity executes start function in initializer object. I will tell every main object like game controller, UI controller to call its own initialize self function. As the name suggests, in that function it will do something like set its singleton instant, catch some component, fill some variable, execute initialize cell on child object, etc. After initialize cell happened, the next step is initialize. So again I will tell the object to call its own initialize function. This time I will connect things together. This structure looks like a tree. It will execute from bottom to top. I think it's better to handle everything on your own, so you can control the flow of your game logic and you know what the hell you're doing. And you should try to make things modular. It makes the game easier to expand and fix. For example, the bird can fly on its own, no UI level or game logic inside. The level controller tells the bird some rules like start position, turn step length, turn limit, blah blah. The UI input tells the bird what to do, like Y to turn, tap to jump. The game controller listens to the bird, so when the bird fire or die events, it tells that you lose. In the next video I will show you how to make the bird. Link to the game and my Patreon in the description below.